Welcome to Japan, a nation where ancient traditions and breathtaking natural beauty exist side by side. Stretching across thousands of islands in the Pacific Ocean, Japan is a land of remarkable contrasts, where modern cities rise beneath distant mountains and centuries-old temples stand surrounded by forests. Our journey begins above Japan's diverse landscapes, from rugged coastlines and volcanic peaks to peaceful lakes and dense woodlands. Nature has shaped the identity of this island nation for thousands of years. The changing seasons bring constant transformation, painting the country in different colors throughout the year. As we fly across the landscape, we discover a country deeply connected to nature. Mountains dominate much of the terrain, rivers carve through valleys, and forests cover large portions of the land. Even in busy urban areas, gardens, parks, and natural spaces remain an important part of daily life. Japan is a place where history and nature are woven together. Ancient shrines, traditional villages, and sacred landscapes reflect a culture that has long respected the natural world. This is more than a journey through a country. It is an exploration of a land where beauty, balance, and tradition continue to inspire generations. Rising gracefully above the surrounding landscape, Mount Fuji is Japan's most iconic natural landmark and a symbol recognized throughout the world. Standing at 3,776 meters, this majestic volcano is the highest mountain in Japan and has inspired artists, poets, and travelers for centuries. As the morning sun illuminates its snow-capped summit, Mount Fuji appears almost timeless. Its near-perfect cone shape dominates the horizon, creating one of the most recognizable landscapes on Earth. From a distance, the mountain seems calm and peaceful, yet it was formed by powerful volcanic forces that shaped the land over thousands of years. Around its base lie beautiful forests, clear lakes, and rolling hills that change dramatically with the seasons. In spring, cherry blossoms frame the mountain in soft shades of pink. During summer, green landscapes surround its slopes, while autumn paints the region in brilliant red and gold. In winter, snow transforms Mount Fuji into a breathtaking white masterpiece. For many people, Mount Fuji is more than a mountain. It is a sacred place that represents beauty, strength, and harmony between nature and culture. Standing beneath its towering presence, it is easy to understand why Mount Fuji remains the heart and soul of Japan's natural landscape. Beyond Japan's cities and sacred mountains lies a world of deep forests, flowing rivers, and rich wildlife. Much of the country is covered in green landscapes where nature thrives in quiet harmony. Japan's forests are dense and ancient, filled with cedar, pine, and maple trees that change dramatically with the seasons. Sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a peaceful atmosphere where every sound feels closer and more alive. Rivers flow from the mountains, carving their way through valleys and feeding the land with fresh water. These natural environments are home to a variety of wildlife. One of the most famous species is the Japanese macaque, also known as the snow monkey. In colder regions, these intelligent animals are often seen relaxing in natural hot springs during winter, surrounded by snow-covered landscapes. Deer also roam freely in many regions, especially in sacred areas where they are considered messengers of the gods. Birds fill the forests with sound, while hidden creatures move silently through the undergrowth. Japan's wildlife may not always be easy to see, but it is deeply connected to the rhythm of the land. Here, nature is not wild in chaos, but wild in balance, calm, respectful, and beautifully preserved. Japan is a country where the passage of time is written clearly in the changing seasons. Each season transforms a landscape completely, offering a new world of colors, emotions, and atmosphere. In spring, Japan becomes a dreamlike landscape as cherry blossoms, known as sakura, bloom across the country. Parks, riversides, and temples are covered in soft pink petals, creating one of the most beautiful natural displays on Earth. Summer brings deep green forests, warm sunlight, and vibrant life. Rice fields grow across rural landscapes, and mountain trails become alive with hikers and flowing rivers. In autumn, Japan transforms into a sea of red, orange, and gold. Maple trees paint mountains and valleys in intense colors, making the country look like a living painting. This season is often considered the most visually stunning. Winter covers much of Japan in snow, especially in the north. Frozen lakes, icy forests, and quiet villages create a peaceful, almost magical atmosphere. In some regions, snow monkeys gather in hot springs, creating iconic winter scenes. These four seasons shape not only the landscape, but also the culture and spirit of Japan. Nature is constantly changing, yet always beautiful, reminding us that every moment has its own unique form of perfection. Japan is an island nation surrounded by the vast Pacific Ocean, and its coastlines and islands create some of the most diverse and dramatic seascapes in the world. From rugged cliffs and volcanic shores to tropical beaches and quiet fishing villages, the ocean shapes life across the country. As we travel along the coastline, waves crash against rocky formations carved by centuries of wind and water. In some regions, steep cliffs rise directly from the sea, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the endless horizon. In other areas, soft sandy beaches stretch peacefully under the sun, where the rhythm of the ocean creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Japan is made up of thousands of islands, each with its own unique character. In the south, tropical islands offer crystal-clear waters and coral reefs full of marine life. In contrast, northern coastal regions are colder and more dramatic, with powerful waves and misty seas. Fishing villages are scattered along the shorelines, where life has remained closely connected to the ocean for generations. Boats move slowly across harbors, and seaside towns reflect a deep respect for the sea. Japan's coastlines are not just borders, they are living landscapes where nature and human life meet in constant harmony. Japan's cities represent a fascinating balance between ultra-modern innovation and deep-rooted tradition. Nowhere is this contrast more visible than in its three most iconic urban centers: Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. In Tokyo, the capital city, towering skyscrapers, neon lights, and endless energy define the urban landscape. Yet between the modern districts, quiet shrines, hidden gardens, and traditional streets offer moments of calm within the fast-paced rhythm of the city. Traveling west, Kyoto reveals a different side of Japan. Once the imperial capital, Kyoto is filled with ancient temples, bamboo forests, and wooden streets that preserve the spirit of old Japan. Here, history feels alive in every corner, from peaceful Zen gardens to iconic torii gates. In Osaka, the atmosphere becomes more dynamic and vibrant. Known for its modern skyline, lively streets, and rich food culture, Osaka blends entertainment and tradition in a unique urban rhythm. Despite their differences, all Japanese cities share one important quality: harmony with nature. Parks, rivers, and green spaces are carefully integrated into urban life, reminding us that even in the busiest cities, nature remains present. Japan's cities are not just places of technology and history. They are living reflections of balance, culture, and human creativity. Beyond Japan's modern cities and natural wonders lies a world of ancient temples, sacred shrines, and timeless cultural landscapes. These places reflect a deep spiritual connection between people, nature, and history that has shaped Japan for centuries. As we travel through the countryside, we encounter traditional wooden temples hidden within forests, often surrounded by silence and mist. These sacred spaces are carefully preserved, blending naturally into their environment. Stone paths, moss-covered lanterns, and towering gates known as torii mark the entrance to spiritual realms. In places like Kyoto and surrounding regions, history feels alive. Golden temples reflect on calm waters, while Zen gardens are designed to represent entire landscapes using only rocks, sand, and carefully arranged plants. Every detail carries meaning, reflecting balance, simplicity, and harmony. These cultural landscapes are not only historical sites, but living traditions. Monks still practice rituals, visitors walk respectfully through sacred grounds, and nature continues to play an essential role in spiritual life. Japan's temples and cultural spaces remind us that beauty does not always come from scale or power, but from stillness, intention, and respect for the natural world. As our journey through Japan comes to an end, we are left with a deep sense of harmony, beauty, and respect for nature. Japan is more than a destination. It is a living balance between ancient tradition, modern innovation, and the natural world that surrounds it. From the towering presence of Mount Fuji to the quiet forests, flowing rivers, and sacred temples, every part of Japan tells a story of connection. We have seen cities that never sleep, yet still preserve moments of peace. We have explored islands shaped by the ocean and landscapes transformed by the rhythm of 4 distinct seasons. What makes Japan truly unique is not only its landscapes, but the philosophy behind them. A way of life that values simplicity, respect, and awareness of nature's beauty in every detail. As the sun sets over mountains, coastlines, and cities, Japan reveals its final gift, a feeling of calm that stays with you long after the journey ends. This is Japan, a land where nature and humanity exist in perfect harmony, where every moment is shaped by beauty, and where tradition continues to inspire the future.